here again. So what I'm going to show you today is we're going to do an interactive PDF. So we're going to open the same document, and let's say you need to make this object here. It could be any location, an interactive PDF with a spin. We're going to add a spin option or some presets. I'll use a rollover and change the duration. Let's begin. First thing you want to do is go to Windows, and we want to go to interactive, and we're going to bring up the animation panel, which is here, and we want to bring up go back to interactive, and we want to bring up the timing. So we got the timing, and we have, let's go ahead and bring up the rollover so you can see that also. Interactive, okay, interactive, and let's go to buttons and forms, and that should be right here. Good. So first thing we want to do is create an animation. So we click on the item you want to animate, and notice that in the animation panel, which is over here, it tells you what type of animation you want, the name of the document, which is here. Preset, let's click on the presets. We have a lot of different presets. You have spin, smoke, anything here. But let's use spin for now. So it gives you an example of what it looks like when it spins. Okay. So we just use a preset spin. Now we want to change the duration. Let's change the time. So let's find the timer. So on load. Okay. We want to change the duration to, let's make it 1.6, or whatever you want it to be, 0.6. Okay, let's preview by clicking that. You can preview it right in the center. And there it is. There's a spin right in the center. Let's do it one more time. Look in the center. And there you have a spin preset. Okay, good. So if you want to use with a rollover, you just put that on the side. And let's go to our rollover. And you can have presets. You can check box. You keep the option you want. It could be a button, whatever you want it to be. And then you will add the state, the action you want it to go, where you want to go when you click on it. And this is another way to create the rollover. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. So we just did animation. You click on the document, find the animation panel. This is your name of the document. Select the preset, duration, whatever they ask you to do. You can do spin preset if you some other options if that's what they're asking you to do, and then you can preview it. Okay. You could also change your speed on load, so you can have a different, some more options here. All right, so let's take a look at text wrap. We did that in the last video, but let's go over it one more time. Now, text wrap, you must select your image. And let's go up here to Windows, and let's load our text wrap right here. There it is in Windows. Let's get rid of that. So the text wrap feature is pretty cool. So let's go back to normal state. Here's the text, but it's not wrapping around, it's behind. So in order to make it curve the edges, okay, you want to create a clip and mask to detect the edges. So all you have to do is click on the image. Let's go to the wrap around object shape. Click on that. Now, you click on here to detect edges. That's another option. And now it's detecting the edges. Very simple and easy. You detect the edges by using the contour option, detect edges. So we got our text wrap, which is the third one, wrap around. And you can also, let's take a look. If I click this one, which is a wraparound bonded box, it wraps around just the image that's the box, the square image of the box. If I click on the first one, there's no text. It just sits behind. It's not doing anything. If I click on the jump around, the text would be above or below. And if I click on the last one here, the text is actually hidden above. So let's go back to what they're asking us to do. Wrap the text around the contour of the image. And that's basically it. Okay. Let's take a look at how to select a frame and change your opacity. So I'm going to click on this image on the frame, and I'm going to lower the opacity by whatever you want it to. You could also type it in, or you can click on the slider and slide it. Notice the changes right here in the image. Okay. And I'm going to pause here for now. I think that's pretty good. We're able to tackle interactive animation. We add a preset. We mess around with rollovers. We know how to do a text wrap, clip and mask, how to detect the edges. We learn how to fade the background, to fade an image in a frame by changing the opacity. Okay. Let's go here.